At LCA, we found that people give you about 8 minutes of their time before you have to do something different. So virtually, you have to really think, if you're going on and it feels to them like death by PowerPoint, you've lost them. So you really have to engage them every 8 minutes or so by doing something different. And that's something different can be an activity, a breakout, or whatever it might be, but really keeping in mind and being purposeful about how you keep the virtual room moving, because you can't be in the classroom, keeping the classroom moving the way you'd like to.
I agree. It's a challenge, but
Yeah.
one worth doing.
One worth doing. And if you really take some of the tips that we've talked about, I believe they can be very helpful. And that's what's on our mind. And if you think that we can be of assistance at all, please reach out to us at learnconnectact@gmail.com, and we'd be happy to talk to you about it and even help you through it. So thank you, Shane, for being with me today. And thank you all for listening, and have a good day. It's gonna be all right.